This says, what is the 15th term in this sequence? To figure this out, I first have to decide if it's an arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence. If it's an arithmetic sequence, I can add or subtract the same amount to get the next term. So for example, to go from 5 to 15, I would add 10. But when I add 10 to 15, I get 25, not 45. So I know that this sequence is not arithmetic. So let's try geometric. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 45 divided by 15 is 3. 135 divided by 45, guess what? It's 3. I have just found out that the sequence is geometric. Here's what I figured out then. I have a geometric sequence, and the common ratio in this geometric sequence is 3. Now I'm going to write a formula that I can use to solve the problem. And the formula is A, where A is the first term in the sequence, times R, which is the common ratio, and in this case it's 3, and then we're going to raise it to the n minus 1 power. Okay, n stands for the term in the sequence. So what I'd like you to do is copy down the following formula. We have 5, that's our first term in the sequence, times 3 to the n, and we'll do the first term. So the first term is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 times 3 to the 0 power. 5 times 3, 3 to the 0 power is 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. So there I've just found the first term in that sequence. Let's do that again with the second term. So I have 5 times 3. We're going to raise it to a power. We're doing the second power, so we got 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 times 3 to the first power. 3 to the first power is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So we have just found the second term. Alright, now let's do the biggie. It says 5 times 3, and we want to find the 15th term. So the power that I'm raising it to is 15 minus 1, or 14. So we're going to use our calculators now, and we're going to type that in. 5 times 3, power key. Now I use my parentheses, 15 minus 1, or I could have typed 14, equals, and our answer is 23,914,845. Alright. So the important thing to remember is first determine if your sequence is arithmetic or geometric. If it's geometric and we're told to find a term in that sequence, this is the formula that we are going to use. Watch this video again as many times as it takes for you to understand how we solve this problem.